Good morning everybody! Welcome back to my channel. Kamusta po kayong lahat? It's Monday today. The weekend is over. Happy Monday! I hope everyone is having a good start of their week. Anyway, today is February 12, 2024. Monday. It's already 9 a.m. na po ng umaga. Just finished making fried rice, garlic fried rice, and my leftover fried bangus last night. Kakainin ko with my coffee, of course. Coffee is life. And it's a gloomy day today. Super gloomy. It was raining like cats and dogs this morning. Like early morning today, like 5 siguro, mga 5 a.m. It was raining so hard. So yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do today. I guess I'm gonna make a content about K1 visa or adjustment of status. It's been a long overdue. A lot of people are asking me, or a lot of people have been asking me questions about visa processing, what are the next steps to this and that. So, yes, I've already shared some videos about K1 visa, and then I'll be sharing more about it based from my own experience lang po ha. I came here through a K1 visa with my fiance, and now I'm married. I'm currently adjusting my status, and yeah, I'm waiting for my green card to get approved. So people have been asking me through Facebook and TikTok. It's right here. So please follow me as well there in my social accounts. Yeah, and breakfast na ako guys, and yeah, gloomy outside. It's very gloomy there. Don't know if you can see it, but there are still people playing golf. So update ko kayo later guys. Kain muna ako. See ya. Hapon na guys. It's 4:25 already and the sun is out. It's a beautiful day. It has been very gloomy today. It started raining early this morning. Tsaka just very cloudy. But right now, ang ganda oh. Oh, is it spring already? I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, my husband said it's almost springtime. Yeah, ang ganda ng weather today, actually. And then, yeah, we are on our way to Walmart. Sa labas lang actually ng subdivision. Bili lang kami ng ulam for dinner. I'm hungry, I'm really hungry. So I have a caldereta powder there. Gawa ako ng caldereta tonight for dinner. Pretty sure may extra pa yan tomorrow unless if kakainin ni husband yung meat. So yeah, update ko kayo later. Punta lang kaming Walmart. Flowers are out for Valentine's. Ooh, pretty flowers. We have garlic there. We have garlic and I don't have mince though. I have the powder. No, I don't have garlic salt. Okay. Alright, let's go. Hi guys. Magluto tayo ng dinner guys. Luto ako ng caldereta. Mamacita's caldereta and spicy sauce mix. Pero hindi ko siya lalagyan ng green peas kasi ayoko ng green peas tsaka olives. Ito lang. Yan. Sunset. Yan. Cotton candy colors. So pretty. Oh, it's getting it's getting chilly. Ay, ganda ng sunset. Ayun na si Mr. Moon. Doon ako nakikita niya. Ayan. Hi, Mr. Moon.
Day after tomorrow, Bobo's coming.
Ayan na guys, dinner na tayo. Beef caldereta. Hindi ko na nilagyan ng green peas tsaka olives kasi ayoko ng green peas tsaka olives. Ayan, and then rice and water. Ready na ako. Ayan. Si husband nagpapalamig ng kanyang ulam. Ayan, let's eat. Ayun yung isang tao. Nagpapalamig ng kanyang ulam na sa fridge. Nanonood ng YouTube. Kain tayo! So, hi guys! Ayan, gabi na. Obviously, it's already 9:54 na po ng gabi. We are in bed. Di na ako masyadong nakapag-video. When we had dinner, tumawag ako sa family. Nag-video call po kami ng family like I always does. Nag-usap kami ni mama and ate. Yeah. And then, naglinis ako ng mga kalat ko sa kusina. Nanood kami ng TV sandali, tsaka sa kwarto na kami. Nag-live pala ako sa TikTok. Nag-live ako sa TikTok sandali, kaya ayun. Bago ko makalimutang i-close na naman kayo, wala na naman tayong closure, buti naisip ko, matutulog na sana ako. So, that's it for today guys. Thank you very much sa pagtambay po ninyo. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked it. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe ng video natin or sa channel ko, please subscribe. Please like and please share our videos po para po marami na tayo. Marami na tayo. Para po marami na tayong views. Char. Anyways, thank you so much. That's it for today. I hope to see you on my next video. Good night everybody. Sweet dreams.